Hi guys, what's up? Let's get back into another live stream for the WordPress series. It's going to be the last stream on the series. We're going to start doing things a lot more custom uh, next time. So that's how we start, like we always do. Quick check out what we did last time. We got rid of that picture. We didn't like it. We added some. We added a link there, random link. This is how you could have like link off to your other website. Like say this was your website, you change that. Set the anchor text so you get the follow through on that. We added the RSS feeds. We got the blog, the comments. Let's go through and see. This is the blog, so you get you can share it. You can send that around to people. We sorted out the map. Get that move that around a bit. If you've got any questions, let me know in the chat. Anything you need to know about getting started with WordPress. Remember, all this is free, so just remember though, any more you do on this, like say you do like SEO for this, you're gonna struggle to move this in a way, like you're gonna be doing all the work for WordPress. So I would mainly just keep this for like your blogs and stuff. So let's get back into it and let's create a new blog, and let's do some more like advanced things with what we do with blogs. So say we wanted to start a new blog and it was like say it was strawberry seeds, and we'd say like you could have this as like a heading possibly. So you could have this as a header one, see? Now down here we got our paragraph. So what you could do is you could have like okay, I don't know why it's, let me change that. Say if you wanted this whole thing to be a link, you could link off here to like your other site, like say if you owned another website. This is the best thing to do. This is really what the power of the WordPress free blog is, because this is where you're getting free SEO here. So you're gonna link off to your other site from your blog. Say you're not too we're gonna learn how to do your own CMS soon, but say you don't have a CMS, you just got a static website. This is how you can utilize the WordPress blog CMS to get SEO, like to get higher on Google. So say you add it like this. When we post this, it's gonna be like a kosher link, like it is a a follow link. So and then you could have like, you probably wouldn't have it like this. You'd probably say, okay, so that's hard to. If you wanted you'd have it a bit more organic like this. So once the blog goes out, this link will be live and it'll post back to your static site. Say you've got one. Say you've got a static site called seeds.com. Once you post your link like this in your blog, it'll actually give you the SEO, the link juice from it. The rest is pretty much just random text. We'd just be saying like, it's a bit fiddly to get it. Okay. Bit fiddly, but okay. So what you do is you just unclick that. Okay. So you just say what you have. So say now we wanted to link this off to our other page. Do it like this. And we want to write some more, blah blah blah. We can write all day. And then probably again, kind of how we did the last blog, we would have like just trying to think of different fruits. Say we could have fruits, nuts, and again here we can go. Again, we can do the same thing. Link to there. Link to because we didn't actually make the nuts page yet. So link to that. Link to there. Okay. Once we make the nuts page, we can come back here, and then could also have like bit of emotion in here. So have a bit of emotion, like how they really enjoyed it. Make that a block quote. Again, we pretty much did this last time, but have it a bit more central. We could proofread it. Okay, pairs it didn't like. Spell it wrong. Okay. Alright. Anyway. You can have a read more tag. So if you add more content there, you could split it up like this. You could have more bold things. Bold. What else? You can underline stuff. Line. Put a horizontal rule, blah blah blah. Special characters. You could indent this guy here. Probably play around with this all day. Okay. So what you want to do, come up to here. Today's 20th of November. We want time is 7:30. So that's fine. Set this for 3 minutes time. Okay, so this is where you can come in and schedule your posts, alright? Then you want to come in, you want your gardening, horticulture, seeds. Pretty much same with tag, seeds, horticulture. Featured image, again. Now we could take our pick from image. Have a nice image there. Sharing, this is what we've seen before with your Twitter, Facebook. You just add all these guys here. Once you add that, it'll come up with a little box what you wanna say. You can write a little excerpt here. Should be better. Okay, so schedule, update. No, we don't need to update. Close. Okay, so that will be launched. That will be sent out in 2 minutes time. And we'll check back in a sec. We could play around with the theme again. Are you a photographer? Okay, we changed the theme. We did all this. Next series we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be leaving WordPress behind for now. We're gonna actually just be doing everything custom, and then after that, we might come back and do a paid WordPress series on let's have a look on the plans. Yeah, we might come back and do a personal or a premium. Okay. £3 a month. See, it's well, I've got some little tricks where we can actually save some money on that. We can actually probably pay around this, and then we could probably pay for this personal, buy something else on GoDaddy, and then we can end up with a big saving, like being able to do all this stuff. And just for like the price of this, so that'll probably be the third series. Okay, so we've got our saved pages. We're going to add a nut page. Okay, and it was going to be okay. It's going to be pretty basic. We can add the image, set image, same type of idea for the blogs. Share and will allow posts, and we'll just publish. Done. Okay, so now when we we go back to home page. Now go to view. So now we want the nuts. Okay, we got nuts. Okay, so it's automatically done that for us, which is nice. And then let's see if this one works. This, then, okay, so this one. Now we want this to work. Okay, so we go to customize, go widgets. I think it's 401. See, yeah. So now we just simply want copy our link here, paste vegetable seeds, nuts, change that to nuts, done. And there we go, we got that working now. Okay. So it's pretty quick, guys, to come in here, make a page, have that all nice. Okay. So now let's check the blog. So here's our blog. Let's see it live. Okay. We go visit site. Check our links. Okay, that's good. But let's go from vegetable seeds to nuts page. Yes, that works. Now let's go to blog and see the blog. Okay. So now we have see how it's got this link here. That's gonna link off to your own potential site. Also, pretty nice there how it's gonna show you it more. And yeah, there's your this is the post that we just did. So because it has these links here now, we're gonna get more exposure to the search engines, Google, Bing, and stuff, Yahoo. And so we'll click this, it'll link to an external site. We'll click this, and it'll link to our fruit page. And then we'll click this, and it'll link to an external site. We'll click this, and it'll link to an external site. We'll click this, and it'll link to our fruit page. And then we'll click this, and it'll link to an external site. We'll click this, and it'll link to our fruit page. the external site fruit page. So the only problem was that we forgot to add the nuts page, so we can come along here. See, it's not much hassle to actually pop that guy in there. Update, visit. Okay, there we go. We can link off the nuts, fruit, and veg. Okay, so there's nuts, fruits, veg, and we're really getting there. I mean, there's not much else you can actually do with the free WordPress. So any questions, let me know in the chat or comments. And yeah, the next series we're going to be doing a completely custom site. And we won't be using WordPress much, but then but we won't. We'll spend some money. We'll spend like $20 or something and get a new site up and get it going, and we'll see how it looks. And then after that, we'll go maybe spend some more and bring it back to WordPress on a more on the paid one. Okay. So any questions, guys, let me know. Once you start to do blogs every day, though, you're gonna fill this up, and it's gonna look a lot, more legit, better, nicer. Just a little gallery, what we've got here, all our different fruits. Remember, always use the CC images like we did. You don't want to be getting in trouble for copyright, so either take your own images or use the CC images. We've got the RSS, which is always nice. Partners section, this is what you want to do. Your partners, your affiliates, you put them down there, give those guys a link. We did all this in the last where we set this to like the next summer season where you're going to be pretty much sowing your seeds, so that kind of lines up with next summer. It's a little countdown there. Got the followers. If people comment on stuff, it'll show up here. Okay. So let's do something neat with the with Google. Okay. So let's say, I think last time we checked the speed and it was slowish. Today we're going to do similar things like that. So if you type in site like this, see how it brings up this in a like Google whack basically, or what it used to be called. That just shows you that it's indexed this into the search engine. So, and it's indexing it as blog GDC. So if we go back to original page, take this, copy, paste. Let's see what it has indexed on the. Okay, see how we got indexed here? We got indexed 5 times on Google. Okay, so we got main, we got veg, we got fruit, and we got author. But see how we don't have nuts yet because we just made it, so it hasn't had a chance to find that. Also, let's take this. Oh yeah, and this is another cool thing. Let's copy this first for the next thing, and let's look at this for now. And we can actually, we can see the text. Okay, so you ever wanted to just see simple text? This is how you see it, and this is how it looks in text. Now we can view source of it here, which isn't going to help us too much because a lot of this is just WordPress stuff. But we can see here there's fonts. You know, we've got all this what WordPress puts in for us. Got some script there. See, this is why it's a bit slow with WordPress. You see all this code, all this, and there's a lot of script as well. A lot of script, and we've got jQuery. You know, we got a ridiculous amount. I don't even know what all this stuff is, to be honest, but I know some of the stuff, but not these numbers. I don't know what these numbers are anyway, but I know like stuff like this pretty straightforward. Style sheet. That's for like your image gallery and plug in your car, blah blah blah. So that's a cool way to see it. But if you want to, yeah, you want to see full version here, okay. And this is the old. This is the old way that it was. Yeah, so this is when it's cached from last month. Okay. This is how it is now. And we can still I know we can't on this. Okay. So the last thing what we wanted to do is just go to Google. We just wanted to Google our own title. I think this must be cached as well. Yeah. See how these are all the top guys. Royal Queen, Barney's Farm. See, we're never gonna get high on this, okay? With our little seed site, but what we might get matched for is searched on. Sorry, is let's try this. No. Okay, but this is what we're gonna go through next time. We're gonna be more how to do SEO and stuff. But let's try this. See, this is what we're trying to go with the big boys like Holland and Barrett, Thompson Morgan, Amazon. You know, and then the next Suttons, they're huge. So in the next series, this is what we're going to be doing: making custom sites, doing SEO, showing you how to compete with these big players in the market, and how you can even, you know, can you even get onto page 4? Like, you know, right now we're probably on page like 10,000 or something, but in the next videos we'll be getting up there, and we'll be trying to tackle the big players in the markets, and see how we can cause some disruption in the market on our can we compete with Suttons? Can we compete with Thompson Morgan? Can we compete with Holland and Barrett? Yes, but we need to do crazy long searches like this, which are called long tail searches. So right now, long tail search, we're still getting 17.5 million results. So we could be literally on page like 10,000 or something right now. I'm not gonna go through all of these just to find it, but in the next series, I'll show you, how we can get onto page 5, how we can get on to page 10. What can we do for free? Like, how much will it cost us? I mean, if we do a search for this, we are gonna hit number 1 because that's our actual URL. When we get on to, and the same with this. So notice there we are number 1 on Google, and number 2, and number 3, and number 4, but that's only for the exact URL. Okay, so that's not what people. You can't expect someone to sit down and type all this to Google, because why would they, when they could just put it straight in here? So what we need to be really doing is like, see if we want to really match for more like this term, not with all this stuff in it though. Okay, what should we do? Got a bit more nonsense in it though. See, we do match for this, so that's fine. We do get number 1 and number 2. Okay, but again, people are not going to be typing in all of this stuff. It's just gonna be more like vegetable seeds. You know, they're gonna put UK. I'm gonna put. You probably won't even put that in the same search, but we wanna match them more like this, which at the minute Thomson Morgan, Amazon, Sutton's, blah blah blah. So in the next video, I'll show you how to do that, how to get up higher in these guys and compete with these big players. But again, if we were to do that on this free WordPress, then again, we're just doing WordPress work for them when we don't really want to. We want to do our own custom site. So we'll be using Sublime Text. So if you want to download that now, ready for the next video, it's free. So it's pretty good. It's pretty helpful. So right, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks a lot. Cheers, boy.